Hi friends. Nowadays communication skills is very important. In our professional life, most of the peoples and so many industries they are using in their path English language. So that's very important. So you have to improve your communication skills. That's very important. So how you are improve your communication skills? How it is possible to you? You have to do your work in the way of consistency. Consistency is very important. As usually, patience also. If you have the patience, if you if you are maintain the consistency, then you are expert in your work. It will take the time. It's not success will not come in one day or in overnight. It will take the time. Then what can we do? We have to focus on ourselves, and we have to use our time in the way of productive. Whatever it may be, you do the work that should be you do in a productive way. That should be you do in a productive way. That's very important. So patience is very important. If you don't have the patience, then how can we do? Then how can we get good result? Hmm? And maintain the consistency also. Consistency is very important, friends. If we don't have the consistency, we can't do anything. If we have the consistency, we can do anything. We have uh, uh, after some long period, we feel, oh, I can do anything. It's possible to me because I am going in this path. So it's possible to me. So I can do anything. I can achieve anything. We feel confidence is very important, friends. If we don't have the confidence, we don't have the patience, we can't do anything. One more I tell to you, don't compare with to the others. That's not good actually. You have to compare yourself. Every human they have their individual own attitude, their individual talent. Uh, they have their own soul life. No one can similar. So that's why you don't compare with to others. You have to focus on your work. You have to compare uh, you have to compare your work today. What you are do, that's better than yesterday. That's very important. So you have to move you like this, and go through consistency. Then you are become a good expert. Whatever it may be, you do the work. In that work, you are definitely the expert person. So maintenance of the consistency is very important. If you don't have the consistency, we can't do anything, friends. Now I am cooking. You see, now I am cooking. Now I am making the rice. I'm making the curry also. Okay, thank you so much.